Tell everybody I'm on my way. New friends and new places to see. With blue skies ahead, yes, I'm on my way. And there's nowhere else that I'd rather be. Tell everybody I'm on my way. And I'm loving every step I take. With the sun beating down, yes, I'm on my way. And I can't keep this smile off my face. 'Cause there's nothing like seeing each other again, no matter what the distance between. And the stories that we tell will make you smile. Oh, it really lifts my heart. So tell them all I'm on my way. New friends and new places to see. And to sleep under the stars, who could ask for more? With the moon keeping watch over me. Not the snow, not the rain can change my mind. The sun will come out, wait and see. And the feeling of the wind in your face can lift your heart. Oh, there's nowhere I would rather be. 'Cause I'm on my way now. Well and truly, I'm on my way now. 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 Tell everybody I'm on my way. And I just can't wait to be there. Just can't wait to be there. Blue skies ahead, yes, I'm on my way. Nothing but good times to share. So tell everybody I'm on my way. And I just can't wait to be home. Just can't wait to be sunbeaming down. Yes, I'm on my way. Nothing but good times to show. I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way.
Well, I've talked to the wind and I've listened to rain. I have climbed to the clouds and I've cried out with pain. This life is for living, so come to my side and open your heart to the call of the wild. We are all of one nation, all of one creed. We are all out of nature, all of one sea. talk the same language in different towns. We're somebody's daughters and somebody's sons. But those who believe we're head of the chain, they wake up to find we are all that remain. There is no need to fear what we don't understand, for we breathe the same air and we walk the same land. The strong and the anxious, the meek and the mild, all dance to the drum. That's the call of the wild.
Well, pick me up when golden hair. Who's been sailing? Who's been sailing? Sobre sempre well, I would like to hold my little hand.